going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing my Exedy clutch on my 350Z. If you guys haven't followed me already, you have to go follow me on Instagram because I already posted the color reveal for the 350Z. But if you continue watching this video, you'll eventually see what it looks like. The 350Z is now red. She's so good. Look at her. She looks so good. Bobber's gonna be helping me take down the transmission and install the clutch since I've never done this before. So go check him out.
Hopefully it won't be too bad.
I hope not, but I am fearing all the like rusty bolts that might snap off.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Oh, that? Bro, that snapped.
It snapped off.
Stop! I'm sure it's gonna happen, dude. We just gotta accept it now. She looks so good. Before I start this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Wrap That New Jersey. They're the ones who took care of my baby. They did a 3-day turnaround and got her all ready for me, and I'm so happy with the color. So yeah, I hope you guys like it too. Okay, so one of the things that I did want to mention before we start this clutch install is this disc. Now this is a 3-puck design and this is the thick version. Exedy does offer a thinner version of this, but the reason why we went with the thick version is because this is intended for street use, also track use, and that is what I'm going to be using the Z for. Now if you went with the thin version of this, it's only for track use. So I wanted something that I can, you know, not be pissed off at driving with. I don't know if that makes sense, but this looks pretty cool to me. I've never actually seen a clutch up close. This is the first time. Yeah. wait. What? Bobber just said the thicker the better.
Yo, if you want this, use it.
I'm sorry, I can't get over it. Get yourself a thick boy. Do the shake test?
Huh? I did the shake test, but I'm thinking, let's go ahead and take the shifter off in the middle.
Okay, so you're gonna wanna go inside of your car before lifting it all the way up and remove your shift knob and everything else, if I can get under here. So my shift knob is pretty easy to come off because it's not really on. You just gotta pull it up like that. That, my friend, is a Varist shift knob that is completely useless. There you go. Get yourself a friend to hand you tools. But we're gonna need to lift this up. Please don't judge my dirty interior. It's been a crazy couple of weeks. Just don't get my chichos.
The what?
Chichos means my back rolls. When lifting this, you gotta be very careful because the AC wiring, right, this thing is there, and if you break that, you're pretty much gonna be fucked in the summertime. But this is gonna go full race car one day, so I don't think I'm gonna have AC.
Damn.
It's very helpful if you have a flathead screwdriver, but also if you have nails. There you go. Ew, what the hell is that?
What the hell is even that?
What is that?
Oh, it's the heat resistant stuff. It's just all torn apart. It's supposed to make, it's like so you don't feel the heat of the transmission as much.
I thought this was like a rat inside of the 350Z who just like made a nest. Yo, fuck this. Can you?
Yeah, I'll get you the snap on, huh?
Okay, that's one. Okay, out. Ew. Alright. When I get dirty. Okay. Just pull it up.
Yep.
Pero como?
It's like a little thick point. Yeah, there we go.
Peeling off protection. Oh shit. I like it. I wonder if they've ever replaced a clutch. on this before.
They had to have. Is 1.8 like the mileage? There's no way.
This is like stock?
Yeah, it had to have been replaced at least once.
Oh. You should 100% be wearing glasses, but as you guys know, I don't like eye protection for some reason, but I'm gonna go put them on before one of you guys kill me. Eye protection, important. Oh shit, I did it. That came off like stupid easy. Oh shit! Well, we caught that on camera.
No, that shit almost kills you.
We have to bring the car down because we forgot to put the e-brake down, but we did put it in neutral, so remember to do that. Take down the e-brake and also have your car in neutral. We did one of those things, so.
Push.
Okay,
right, so
which way?
Yeah, I mean, you still have to push towards me, yeah.
Okay.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Don't hit me! I promise you, I'm giving you all I got.
All right, wait. All right, let me do this because I feel I can't push right now. I feel like I'm scared to push because I already almost killed you right here, so I don't want to kill you like again. Like.
So Bobber's gonna take over this half because I'm not strong enough to do that by myself.
No, I just don't want to push. Your fans are gonna kill me if I kill you.
Absolutely. No. Oh shit! Look at you.
Yo, it's not me. It's the flex. It's the flex. There we go.
And then just slide it up.
Which way?
Boom, there we go. Alright.
Can't even right now. I almost crushed my fingers.
This we'll leave for last. Like, we'll break these open, but we're gonna leave them for last just because we don't want, like, you know, the trans to fall on us. This is what's holding the trans up to the car. One of the things that's holding it to the car.
But you're not gonna sit there and tell me that this doesn't look like it's gonna snap.
Don't say that. No one will think about that.
Look how rusty these bolts are. Oh my god, I want to replace all of this. Look at it. You're gonna want to go ahead and take off one bolt and this bolt under here and do it on the same side as well. Oh my god, these are so rusty. Okay, they look like they're coming off easy though. And in the power of Christ.
Make myself look like the only idiot.
This is bending.
It's done?
It's bending. I think I might have to get a new one.
What?
Look.
Oh, the bolt?
No, the bracket. This whole thing is just like bending on me. And it's like crumbling up.
There you go.
I knew it! I knew it! I called it!
Yo, look, this is not an important one.
Garbage.
Would have been perfect timing to install a short shifter.
Facts. Do you have one?
No.
Oh. Alright. Here, you want to just put the bolt back in there so you don't. What was it?
All 2 cents are correct.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna need a flathead. My nails won't cut it this time.
There we go.
Perfection.
And then just these zip ties.
All right.
Done.
There, so we're gonna clip those off. a hex 10, and we're gonna drain the trans. It's a little bit warm, but it's not too hot, so you're gonna make sure that your car is cold when you do this, but it's not too
It's
bad.
been turned off for a bit though.
It's been off for a while, yeah.
All right,
Good?
there you go. There you go.
Bro, I could have knocked myself out.
Yo, this is a fucking safety hazard.
It is. Will it go in?
Yeah.
This bolt though.
Oh, no, it's dripping. She's dripping. Ooh.
Oh shit. We're gonna let the trans pee for a little bit and then we'll come back and finish. I lost the files to taking off the transmission bolts and actually taking down the transmission, but I'm sorry. This is what the trans looks like. And this is what the clutch looks like right about now. So, I'm definitely gonna clean this with brake cleaner, but and that is what the clutch looks like. I'm gonna take it apart so you guys can see it more in depth, but yeah. This is the disc. It's from Nissan. I don't know if this is an OEM, the original OEM one. I don't think so. I think this is just like a replacement. But this is the disc that came out. Okay. And then this is the clutch cover that you guys saw. And this is the back of it.
Alright, let's clean it. Fuck it. Alright, I think that should be good enough.
Oh, why do I like that smell? Oh. Don't try that at home.
Alright, so we should be able to... This is heavy. But make sure like you have it like properly because you don't want these to strip. So like make sure like it's like in all the way and then hit it with the motor.
Okay. Ha. Liz 1. I'm hitting myself with this fucking downpipe. Flywheel out. Thank you. Alright, so I'm currently editing and I realized that a lot of the clips that I recorded when taking off the trans can't play back on my camera. I think it's because I switched over to Bobber's camera and it was too long. So I have no idea what happened there, but if you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys for part 2. Bye!